All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking a roasted red pepper sauce pasta. We're going to be using tofu with it. So we're going to start off with our block of tofu. Now this is Japanese tofu. It's slightly fried already. So I like this one because it does crisp up a little bit better than just a regular tofu block. So just want to cut this up into pieces. Cut them up into little blocks. And this is going to go on top of our pasta. We already have our pasta boiling right now. I'm going to use some penne. But you can use any type of pasta that you want with the penne or any other type. I'm just going to cut these up some more. All right, so now we got our tofu cut up. So now let's season it. We're going to start off with our coconut aminos. Or you can use a low sodium soy sauce to also work. We'll put a little onion powder on it. Next we have some garlic powder. And then we'll have some paprika with it. Now let's mix everything up and get everything well coated and seasoned. All right, now we got everything seasoned. Let's go ahead and start cooking our tofu. And it doesn't take long to cook there. It's already fried just a little bit, so we just want to crisp it up a little bit more. All right, now let's throw our tofu in. And we'll just let this cook for a few minutes until it's slightly brown. And as you can see, it has a nice brown to it, nice crisp tofu. All right, let's set that aside. Now let's make our red pepper sauce. So I'm going to start off with a jar of red peppers. All right, now I'm gonna throw in some mixed garlic. Now let's throw in our silken tofu. Top that off with nutritional yeast. And we're doing half a cup of unsweetened plant milk. And then we're gonna do a squeeze of lemon. And now let's blend that together to make our sauce. And you just want to blend it till it's nice and smooth. Make sure the tofu and everything else is mixed together in it really well. All right, so now let's take our pasta that we had cooking. Let's go ahead and throw that in the pan first. All right, now let's pour our sauce over it. And now let's add our tofu in. We're going to mix all this together. You just want to make sure you get everything mixed together, mix in all those flavors. And then you just want to let it simmer for a little bit before you serve. And right before I serve it, I like to put in a little bit more Italian seasoning just to top it off. And that's it. Just a quick, easy meal that you can make for meal prep. You can garnish it with parsley or red pepper flakes or vegan parmesan. But that's it. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.